Hi, this is Jeff Podlasek with Toad DB2 development. I'm going to demonstrate the new test data generation feature we've added in Toad for DB2 version 5.0. I've got Toad up and running, and I've connected to a DB2 LUW database, and I've got the Database Explorer open on the Tables tab, and I've got a list of several tables. First thing I'm going to do in this demonstration is clone an existing table. So I'm going to right-click and say Create Like. And that brings up the table creation dialog. Now I'm going to give my new table a name of Test 11, and I'm going to keep the column definitions the same. So I'm going to execute this script, and it will create a new Test 11 table, and you can see it here. It's got the column definitions, and it has no data. So in order to populate data in it quickly, I'm going to right-click on that table and say Generate Test Data. And that brings up the data generator wizard, which will walk me through the steps to easily populate data in those columns. This first screen allows me to select additional tables, and I'm going to keep this demonstration simple and only select the one table and use the one table. I could also, add dependent tables or reference tables, but we're going to keep this demonstration simple. This next screen allows me to specify some options, such as how many rows do I want to generate, whether or not I want to generate a delete statement at the top of the script that will ensure only my test data is inserted into the script. And it has some format options, such as date, time, timestamp formats, as well as the decimal separator and the statement delimiter. I'm going to keep all those the same and go next. Now this screen allows me to be more granular on how that data is generated. There's several different options, such as random generate, sequence, constant values, or null. For this bonus column, I'm going to leave it as random generate. For this commission column, I'm going to say randomly generate, but let's start at a value of 1,000, and let's have a maximum value of 2,000. For the employee number, which is a character data type, I'm going to keep that as random generate. The same with first, last name, middle initial. For salary, I'm going to say, let's keep this as a sequence generate, starting at 10,000 and ending at 20,000. And let's stop 10 each time. And for the work department, I'm going to say let's keep this as a constant value with the values A, B, and C. I'm going to click Next, and I'm going to send the script to the editor. And you'll see that Toad generates this script that deletes from the existing table and then has all my inserts, 100 insert statements that I've generated. And you can see that the work department is a constant ABC, and you can see that the salary column is stepping up 10 each time. So I'm going to run this script right now. And the script is running, and the script is done. So now I'm going to go back to the table and hit refresh or F5, and all my data is displayed. So it's a very quick and easy way to generate test data. And this works for both DB2 LUW as well as DB2 on ZOS.